In this video, I'll detail how to fix Facebook notifications not showing on home screen on iPhone. So if you're using Facebook and you discover that notification is not showing on your home screen just like this, just like my Gmail notifications, Facebook notifications, even the Snapchat notifications, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you're done with this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix Facebook notifications not showing on home screen on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on the Facebook application. If you're using iOS 18, you want to scroll down and click on apps. Under apps, make sure you click on Facebook. Now once you selected that, click on notifications and turn on allow notifications. If allow notifications is disabled, you should see the notifications on my Facebook account or Facebook app turned off. Then turn this on first. That's the first thing you want to do. Then notification will come back. Then after that, to show notifications on screen on your iPhone, make sure you enable banner. So once banner is turned on, this is going to show notifications on the Facebook app on your iPhone. Turn on notification center to show Facebook notifications on the notification center like this. Then turn on lock screen to show your Facebook notifications on lock screen. After that, you just choose the banner style, persistence or temporary. So whichever one that you choose, this is going to work and it's going to show your Facebook notifications on the home screen. Now scroll down. Just prefer to turn off announce notifications. Then come back here and click on show previews under lock screen appearance. So if your iPhone screen is locked, just disable show preview. This will not show your Facebook notification preview, whether it is a message or it's a comment on any status on Facebook or anything on Facebook. It's only going to show the information that you have notifications without showing the content of the notifications. Then hit the power button. You can just click on Facebook notification setting to customize the Facebook notifications. Just click on that and this is going to open your Facebook notifications. Then you can customize the notifications you want to receive on your iPhone home screen on Facebook. So this includes comments, tags, reminder, more activities about you, updates from friends, friend requests, people you may know, birthday, groups, and like that. Then once that is set, come back here, hit the back button on the Facebook notification page and turn on background app refresh. So if you're unable to turn on background app refresh on the Facebook application, you just need to do is hit the back button and go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you click on general, scroll down. Click on background app refresh. Then under background app refresh, locate the Facebook application like this. If this is disabled, turn this on. But if you cannot edit this like this, just come here and click on background app refresh. Then choose Wi-Fi and mobile data, hit the back button, and then scroll down and locate Facebook. So once you can find the Facebook application, just go ahead and turn on this, and henceforth you should be able to receive your Facebook notifications on your iPhone home screen, lock screen, and notification center. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.